Hey guys, welcome to my channel, another day in my paradise. So today I am going to share a very easy, delicious and healthy biscuit recipe. Without any delay, let's start the recipe. For making these easy and tasty biscuit, in a bowl take half a cup of ghee, or you can use butter also. That should be unsalted and at room temperature. Now I'm adding 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. Make sure sugar should be in powdered form. You can also use granulated sugar. Just grind it and use it in a powdered form. Whisk it until it is light and creamy. After whisking for about 5 minutes, it will become light in color as you can see. That means our cream is ready. It will be thick in texture as you can see. Now it's time to add some flavor. It is completely optional. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and now goes a pinch of salt. If we talk about flavor, you can use vanilla essence or any other flavor of your choice. And now I'm adding 1 cup of whole wheat flour. And now it's time to use my hands. By using my hands, I'm scrambling it properly. And after scrambling, I'm taking 1/3 cup of milk. For kneading the dough, first I will add milk in small quantity. Now I'm going to mix it properly. Make sure milk should be at room temperature. And after that, I will add little more milk according to the requirement. Basically, you have to make a dough. If required, you can use more milk. Dough is ready. It is crumble in texture. Now I am giving it a rectangular shape. You can also give it a cylindrical shape. Don't worry about the cracks. Because of crumble texture it will appear, but there will be no compromise on the taste. Now carefully I will place the rectangular dough into a cling wrap. Wrap it into it and close the ends tightly. It's time to place it into my refrigerator for 30 minutes or until it will get firm. It's almost 30 minutes and the dough is firm, so I will unwrap it. Take a sharp knife and cut the pieces by keeping ½ inch of distance. I have already preheated the oven at 325 Fahrenheit. Now I'm placing all the biscuits into a baking tray. So my 2 trays are full of biscuits and they are ready to go into oven. And now I will bake the biscuits for 30 minutes or until it will become golden brown. After 30 minutes, biscuits are completely ready. As you can see, these are cooked very beautifully with a light brown color. And now it's time to cool them down. So I will place all the biscuits on a rack. It is important to keep the biscuits on a rack for cooling in order to keep the crispiness of biscuits. Look at the bottom of the biscuit. These biscuits are cooked amazingly well, similar to the biscuits which we buy from the store, dark brown from bottom and light brown from top. So now the biscuits are cooled down. Let me show you how crispy is the biscuits are. In order to store, keep the biscuits in an airtight jar and enjoy the biscuits for almost 1 month. Give a try to this recipe. You will definitely going to love them, and also subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.